Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit the page layout in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need just to go to our Salesforce Lightning and basically we need just to click on Setup. By clicking on Setup, we will need to choose which object we want to change its view or its page layout. So from here, we will need just to search for the objects manager and basically just go in search for object manager and then it will take you here and from here we will find all the objects available for in our Salesforce. So basically let's suppose that we want to change the accounts and basically let's go to accounts and from here we need just to search for page layout and basically it will be located here and this is our page layout. So in the page layout name is as follows. You can either create a new one and activate which one you would like, or you can just delete this one and have some page layout assignment. So here we can go to this page layout and we can find all these informations. So as you can see, this is the highlight panels. Here we will find posts, files, log call, new task, etc. or some quick actions. So if we go to the accounts, we will find these quick actions here and all the things concerning our accounts, for example. So from here, we can find the account details and to change any layout, we can go and have, for example, in this section, we can just take it off and put it here. So here you will find all the fields concerning the account layout and you will need just to drag and drop to the layout and choose whatever you like. So for example, you can add a button here that will get the contacts. You can have many buttons or many actions and you will need just to search from here and you will need just to add them to these sections. You can start changing the sections order, etc, etc, and after that you will need just to click on save and that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.